Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another exciting video. My name is Greg, and today I've got 9 free transition sounds for you to use in your videos. Transition sounds are super important for emphasizing your transitions. It helps make them smoother and helps make them just that little bit better. J.R. Ali is a very good example of this. He makes use of transition sounds to the max, and his videos are absolutely outstanding. If you guys go and watch one of his videos, you'll see that he makes use of transition sounds all the time. Overall, these transition sounds will up the quality of your video and ultimately make your transitions just that little bit better. I think I've spoken just about enough, so without further ado, here are your free transition sounds to use in your videos. And there you have it, guys. Those are my 9 free transition sounds for you to use in your videos. I hope these help you, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up on the video. Please subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Remember, if you're the first to comment in one of my videos, you'll be featured in one of my upcoming videos. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I post 2 new filmmaking tutorials every single week, so I'll catch you in the next one.